This video shows how to install the tether bracket onto an oven stand that has casters. Tethers are required by code on ovens with casters and on ovens mounted to stands that have casters. A tether is a safety cable attaching the oven or stand to the building structure. The tether limits movement and reduces the chance of pulling plumbing, electrical, or gas lines from their connections when the oven is moved for cleaning. For this procedure, you will need a tether bracket, a tether cable, and a wall hook. You'll also need a Torx screwdriver with a Phillips head, set to 10 inch-pounds. Place the tether bracket with the ring facing out onto the stand. Fasten the screws to the tether bracket and torque the screws to 10 inch-pounds. Fasten the tether cable to the tether ring. Install a hook into the wall, preferably drilled into a stud. Connect the tether cable to the wall hook. When the oven is pulled away from the wall, the tether cable should become taut before any other lines or connections do. The tether bracket is now installed. For more videos, please visit our website.